comes at its ginger. And please take good care.
Hello. Hi. Chicken katsu curry with some fried dumplings here. Now Sarita having his food. How is your food? Good? Yum? Thank you for taking out today. Hot what do you say? Hot. Okay guys, I'm going to dig in. Jacquemus lychee pickle bag. What do you guys think? Off to Paris now because we couldn't find the bag there. On a taxi. We're back from the shopping. It's next day. We actually came home quite late, around like 6:30, which is actually not late to be honest. So yeah, that is when we came home. We had a fab day. It was amazing to spend time with Nav, kids free, after a long time. Like I said earlier on the blog, we haven't gone out for a very long time. When you have kids, like, you keep your kids priority, and sometimes you tend to forget about yourself and your relationship with your hobby. It becomes like a second priority, which happens in every relationship when kids comes in your life. But anyway, we are really grateful like we had this day without kids, as well as grateful to have our beautiful kids in our life. So I thought I'll chat with you like what's going on. I actually just curled this hair because everybody was asking me this hair tutorial. Actually, I have got like a proper hair tutorial on my YouTube, but on TikTok everybody was asking me how I actually did this hair, hence the reason I decided to do like a short tutorial on TikTok. If you are not following me on TikTok, then please do follow me. Oh my god, I just got an email now. Let me put my phone on silent. So yeah, as I was saying, if you are not following me on TikTok, make sure you guys do follow me over there. My name is same as my Instagram. I'm Sarita Rai. Anyway, let's chat about what happened yesterday. Basically, the bag that Nab wanted to gift me was actually out of stock. Unfortunately, I got very unlucky yesterday. I honestly thought I'll be able to get that bag, but that didn't happen. But I'm not still sad, it's okay. So basically we went to the Chanel boutique at New Bond Street. They had a little bit of queue. There were like 2 people ahead of us. Luckily the queue flow was like really quick. Once we got in, we had to wait like a couple of minutes, maybe 40 minutes. They took our name down and they told us like whenever the sales assistant is free, they will be able to serve us. Basically inside it was very busy. There were lots of people, which I didn't expect. Of course it's a Christmas time, it's gonna be like busy time of the year, but because of the like Omicron virus going on, I just thought it might be quiet, but I was really wrong about this. But anyway, we got in, we had a little look around. The boutique was beautiful, they had like amazing bags, and then later the lady came and she asked me like what sort of bag I was specifically looking, and then when I explained to her like this is the bag I'm looking for, she was like unfortunately we don't have it anymore. Apparently these days it has to go on wish list, like people are buying a lot of those bags. They only had like seasonal bags. I didn't want to invest in the seasonal bags purely because their value depreciates over the time, whereas the one I wanted to invest in, their value increases every year. I gave my name and my phone number for the wish list. They told me like they don't know like when the bag will be available and they will give me a call. So fingers crossed, I hope I will be able to get it very soon. And then we went to another Chanel in Selfridges. All of them were like sold out. Since we went on weekend, they told us like they don't have a delivery on weekend, so they were like, oh, do try on weekdays. And then we decided to go to Harrods by taxi because there was a strike in place. So to go to Harrods there was like no underground service, hence the reason we had to take taxi. Unfortunately over there as well, they were like, oh, we just sold like the last one hour ago. So basically when I was having lunch, they sold the last. So I got very unlucky. Anyway, that is the long story cut short. You saw in the vlog earlier, I was trying Jacquemus bag, which is gorgeous, and I have been working so hard this year. I've worked with several brands as well and they have paid me quite well, so I wanted to buy something for myself with the collaboration money that I earned last year. I have been doing like YouTube and blogging since like 2010, but I never really did like proper paid collaboration until this year in 2021. So I decided to treat myself and get myself a Jacquemus bag. I'm going to actually only spend like a little bit of money on Jacquemus bag, and then rest of the money I'm going to invest. That is what I'm gonna do. This will be kind of like souvenir for me so that I can remember with my first collaboration, this is what I have bought for myself as a treat. Hence the reason I went to Selfridges. Unfortunately again in Selfridges they didn't have the bag I wanted. It was all sold out. They only had the Chiquito bag, and I was actually eyeing that bag before because that bag is like really small, as you saw on the vlog. It's like really handy, especially I'm really into small bags since I've had kids, because it makes your life so much more easier when you have smaller bags rather than bigger bags. And I was eyeing that one, but then I realized like it was really small and the price was like almost similar to the bag I wanted, whereas the bag I wanted can fit my phone, and I don't really like to carry my phone on my hands basically whenever I go out. As the reason I changed my mind and instead I decided to get another bag. So I went to Harvey Nichols as well. They didn't have Jacquemus bag. Came back home and decided to buy online. I've got it now with me and I'm going to do unboxing. Here is the bag. It's quite small actually. You can see the box is not very big. So let's do unboxing together. I'm so excited. I've actually opened that bit because I always struggle to tear this bit off on my unboxing. So that is the receipt, I believe, which doesn't make sense to open it here. Let me take this out because there is like a Harvey Nichols gift bag. Okay. I'm so excited to show you guys this. Oh my god. I hope I get to work with different brands next year in 2022 as well. So this is the gift box. It comes with, says Harvey Nichols. And let's open this one. Which way? Oh, it's this way. Yeah, that's right. Here we go. And let me take all this paper out. Oh my god, there's so much paper in here, which is good. Like they're trying to keep this bag like safe, scratch free, and it doesn't get damaged. Hence the reason there's so many paper in here. Oh, Oops, my phone just fell off, so sorry. Let me show you. Ta-da! That's the dust bag. The bag is just below that dust bag. So let me take this out. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let me put this onto the side. Let me show you the dust bag first. So it comes with a dust bag, which is like a normal dust bag, but this one kind of like feels quite rigid. It's not like a softer one. It feels like it is made out of jute fabric, but anyway, liking it. It's in beige color, so I can put my bags here, keep them scratch free, dust free. Basically, I do prefer dust bags. Ladies and gentlemen, her. Look at this gorgeous bag. It is so beautiful. I love the shape. I'm gonna show you later. My phone fits here. Let me show you actually quickly. So here's my phone. It's iPhone 11. Let me open this. There's more paper in here. So it has got only like one compartment, as you can see. And let me pop my phone here. Here you go. So my phone fits perfectly. There's still like plenty of room here. Whereas the Jacquemus Chiquito wouldn't fit phone. You can only put like a little coin wallet or little like card wallet. So it doesn't even fit like a proper, you know, like purse. It has got top handle, as you can see, got black stitching, and I got this one in black. This is called Chiquito Long. Really like it, really like the shape actually and the size. One of the things that attracted me towards Jacquemus is because of the shape of the bags. It's very unique, and I do like to have unique bags in my collection. And can you see there's a Jacquemus written in the gold, which is so beautiful. It comes with a strap as well, which I can't even find here. I was thinking the strap might be inside the bag, or maybe it's inside the bag. I'm sure it was just a paper. Oh no, I was wrong. It was inside the bag. I thought it was just a paper. So let me show you. That's the leather strap, and that goes in here basically. So I can carry like this. This would go with a lot of outfit, like formal to, you know, like casual as well. For formal, I can, you know, just carry like that. And then when I go out, and if I don't want to carry just on my hand, then I can just use this strap. It's a long adjustable strap, which is really nice. I really like adjustable strap. I don't like straps that I can't adjust. And I can carry on the side. Let me show you, like this. Or the best bit is carry on the side. Look at this. The size is so beautiful. It's perfect size. It's easier to carry this way. I'm definitely going to carry this way rather than on this side. And you can see the belt is as a stable there, which is lovely. Just gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Let me take this off. Now, really liking this bag. I'm glad like this didn't disappoint me, because I'd only seen this online, but I'm really impressed like how well it is made. It is just so gorgeous. So yeah, that is the unboxing part for you guys. I know I didn't vlog very much because I wanted to enjoy my time with Nap. Basically what happens is when you're vlogging, you actually don't get to enjoy the moment because you're vlogging. So I didn't want to, you know, just vlog all the time. Instead, I wanted to have a lovely time with Nav as well. I did vlog here and there, but not a lot when we went shopping. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye guys.